Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the below and above average option available in the conditional formatting. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, mathematical economics, statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Here I have the hypothetical data on students and their marks in maths and English. I have 15 students. Now suppose I want to highlight the students who have scored higher than average marks in maths. So first you need to select the range. So we have selected the maths range. You go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules and above average. Go to conditional formatting, then top bottom rules and above average. See, students who have scored above average, the cells are highlighted now. You simply click on OK. If you want to cross check, then find the average. So the function is equal to average and then select the range. So you can see range is selected B2 to B16 and press enter. So average is 34.33. Now suppose you want to highlight the students who have scored below the average in English. So you select the range. So English range is selected. You go to conditional formatting, top bottom rules, below average. Conditional formatting, top bottom rules, below average. Change the color, yellow fill and click OK. If you want to cross check, find the average using average function and then select the range. So range is C2 to C16 for English and simply press enter. So the average mark is 35 in English and therefore those who have scored below 35 are highlighted. So this is the idea of below and above average conditional formatting. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.